In our previous video, we broke down how to achieve that model-tier facial aesthetic. Today, we're about to unlock something even more powerful: the 3 underground styling secrets that separate average guys from the ones who turn heads everywhere they go. Now, before I reveal these game-changing techniques, let me tell you something. I've spent years in the modeling industry, and I've noticed something fascinating. There's a pattern, a specific set of principles that every successful male model follows with their hair, whether they realize it or not. And today, I'm breaking down all of them. Secret number 1, the growth protocol. Listen up, because this is where 90% of guys mess up. Your hair's health starts from within. I'm talking about specific nutrients that literally transform your hair from the inside out. Here's exactly what you need. You need to optimize your protein intake. I'm talking about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, because your hair is made of a protein called keratin. Without enough protein, your hair becomes brittle and weak. Focus on complete proteins like eggs, fish, and lean meats, essential fatty acids. Omega-3s and omega-6s are crucial for scalp health. I personally take 1,000 milligrams of high-quality fish oil daily, and I've noticed a massive difference in hair thickness and shine. Secret number 2, the structural foundation. Now, this is where it gets interesting. That effortless, model-like hair, it's all about creating the right foundation. Let me break down the exact process. Step 1, the Prestyle prep. Start with slightly damp hair, about 70% dry. This is crucial because fully wet hair won't hold structure, and completely dry hair won't mold properly. Here's how to test. When you touch your hair, it should feel cool, but not leave water on your fingers. Step 2, the root lift technique. This is what separates amateur styling from professional results. Using a round brush, start at the crown of your head. Here's the key most people miss. You need to lift the hair perpendicular to your scalp. Hold for 5 seconds with medium heat, then cool shot. This creates what I call the invisible framework. Step 3, the direction lock. This is crucial for that natural looking volume. Whatever style you're going for, you need to train your hair to fall in that direction. Use your blow dryer at a 45-degree angle, always working in the direction you want your hair to naturally fall. Secret number 3, model approved hairstyles. Listen up, because this is what actually works on set. I'm going to show you the 3 hairstyles every male model needs to master. These aren't just random styles. These are the looks that photographers specifically request and the ones that get you booked. Style 1, the modern curtains. This is straight from the 90s Leonardo DiCaprio playbook with a modern twist. Start with dry hair, grab a dime-size amount of natural pomade, and work it back through your hair. Here's the secret. Instead of forcing a middle part, slick everything back first, then let your hair naturally fall forward. This creates that perfect, effortless split that photographers love. Style 2, the textured fringe. This is my signature look, and it's been booking me jobs consistently. Spray some sea salt solution on damp hair. But here's the key. Make sure it has natural oils in it to protect your scalp. Scrunch up your hair while blow drying, focusing the heat at the roots. That's how you get that perfect, messy but styled look that's dominating campaigns right now. Style 3, the professional sweep. This is your secret weapon for luxury campaigns. Start with slightly damp hair, use a natural gel, and work everything straight back with a wide tooth comb. This gives you that sleek look without making it appear wet or heavy. If you haven't checked out my previous video on how to achieve that model facial aesthetic, hit it up right here. Trust me, combine those face tips with these hairstyling secrets, and you'll literally transform your entire look. Hit subscribe if you want more insider knowledge from the modeling industry.